Okay. Hello, everyone. We are starting the live show now. So welcome to our live show today. I'm Cici. Thanks for joining us. Today, I'll be taking you all with me in our showroom. Now here we're at the showroom to have a grand look of our brand new products. Well, to help you know us better, I would like to do a brief introduction about the hot tub. Hot tub is the leading manufacturer of energy and heat recovery ventilation equipment in China. And our headquarters and manufacturing base are located in Beijing. Yes, here I have a picture to show you the manufacturing base and the headquarters. Yes, and we have more than 500 employees, and the area covered more than 70,000 square meters, and the annual production capacity is up to 200,000 units. So you don't need to worry about the production capacity and the lead time. And our overseas marketing center are located in Guangzhou. So next time when you are in China, warmly welcome to visit our factories and the offices. We are more than happy to meet you here. Well, in our 18 years development, we accumulated rich experience to offer the OEM and ODM services to large of the famous brands all over the world. And we mastered the core technology of the heat recovery, and the annual growth is more than 40%. So it means the products we offer to you are with the quality are with the world class and the competitive price. And moreover, we have the ISO certification system by SGS and 5S management system. And most of the production equipment we use were imported from Japan and Europe. And we also built our national authorized enthalpy test lamp. Here is a photo. Since 2007, about 12 years ago. Yes. So every unit we deliver out to you are under very strict inspection. Okay? Well, our product range from air to heat recovery and energy recovery ventilators. Here is some hot cell models, and also the air-to-air heat exchangers, and like the air purifier, the disinfection products. And I have one more photos here. The air handling units, yes, these are, yes, air handling units. These are our main products. We always believe that people need fresh air all the time, no matter for the residential houses, the offices, schools, gym places, commercial applications, or even the industry places. So we could offer you the suitable products for the different needs. Well, to offer a better service, we built a team under the brand of the Airwoods, specialized in offering complete air treatment solutions to various projects. And Airwoods have more than 50 experienced HVAC professionals. And last year, Airwoods completed over 100 projects in more than 80 countries. So this means we have the overseas engineers available for the one-side project support. Well, that's about us. If you interested to know more about hot tub and our product, don't forget to follow us to get more information. Please don't forget to message our customer service if you'd like a copy of the catalog, or you can send us an inquiry directly with your questions. By the way, our live show today will last for about 2 hours. So please stay with us because you could have the chance to earn $1 million, okay? Well, during the show, we will offer some special prizes and the gifts. If you placed an order during the show, please tell us your favorite host. For example, you can tell our customer service name Cici or Ruby or Tom, yes, my teammate later, and you will receive a special gift. What is special gift? Well, let's keep it a surprise, okay? During my introduction, please comment down. Send us a comments to let us know what you are most concerning about. And you can send us an inquiry or with your questions, because we have a professional sales team waiting online to follow up your inquiries. Here, I will show you our new products, the EcoVent Pro ERV and the EcoSlim ERV. And later, my teammate Tom and Ruby and Angel, yes, they will show you our hot sale products like the EcoSmart HEPA ERV, fresh air purifier, disinfection box, wall-mounted ERV, and floor-standing ERV. Well, before starting my introduction, is there anybody here don't know what is energy recovery ventilators? If you don't know it, please could you type number 1 to show me? Yes, because we will check and see if we should go further to explain the concept of the ERV. Alright, now I'm going to show you the first new product. Actually, we have a series of ERV named EcoVent. And although we sold more than 50 containers the last year, but we never stopped pursuing high quality and the better performance. I know we can do it better, and if we can do it better, you as our customer, I believe you can sell more, right? So that's why I'm presenting the new product, the EcoVent Pro ERV today. Well, the complete series range from 150 cubic meter per hour to 1300 cubic meter per hour. The model we will show you here today is 350 cubic meter per hour and 600 cubic meter per hour. And all these series are suspended type, yes, it's obviously, and with the inside insulation, right? And from this one is 350 cubic meter per hour model. It was designed by our new compact structure. And here, this one is the outdoor air, the supply air, the fresh air here, and supply air, the return air, and exhaust air. The two air stream, the fresh air and exhaust air came across with the temperature and the humidity difference. The heat will transfer from the warm air to cold air, and the humidity will transfer from the wet air to dry air. They all without touching. Then the energy recovered. And besides, it is balanced ventilation. The idea is that when we exhaust some air out of the house, it will bring some fresh air as well to make up that exhaust air. So this is the best way to save the energy and balance the heat and the moisture in the building. And I think this is all help to build a clean, healthy, and a comfortable indoor air conditioning. Well, there are still some features that are very unique, so let me show you one by one. The whole series are integrated with the EPS structure. EPS is a highly polymer material widely used for the construction, insulation, the refrigeration, and some other industries. And it has some features like the good insulation, air tightness, no condensation, heat preserve, silent, no odor, yes, a lot of the features. Besides, it was built in our They are built in our new primary filters, and they are made of the aluminum alloy frame. Yes, here, and with the with the rubber filtration material, with the compared with the traditional primary filter, the appearance is very nice, yes, and it has a longer service life. Well, if you have a project that requires a higher cleanness, we also have the optional PM 2.5 filters available. The grade is F9. The filtration efficiency is up to 99%. So it means the particle below the particle diameter below the 2.5 μm can be filtered very effectively. So the indoor air quality can be increased obviously. Thirdly, it was built in our third generation enthalpy heat exchanger. Is there anyone can help me? Okay, welcome my teammate. Yes, Tom, help. It was made by our third generation enthalpy heat exchangers. It both for the heat and the moisture exchange. And let me take here. It was made of our patent ER paper and with the latest nanofiber structures. Yes, here. These are many ensure the high efficiency. Well, during the exchange, only the small diameter moisture molecules can pass. Well, bigger diameter molecules like a harmful gas can't pass through it. Besides, it also has some features like it is fire resistance, anti-bacterial, and mold prevent. And it still has some couple features that you have to know, so please follow me, okay? These series are optional with the AC model and the brushless DC model. For some high-end project, we suggest to use the brushless DC model. Why? Because the brushless DC model, the 10-speed can be suitable for most of the project airflow and the external pressure requirement. Well, for the AC model unit, as the price is relatively more competitive, so we usually suggest for those projects that has a limited budget. Okay, and all these series can be optional by the standard controller. Yes, let me go this way. Okay. This series can be optional controlled by the standard controller and the touchscreen controller, the intelligent controller. For the standard controller, it has some functions like the temperature display, time display, weekly timer, 3-speed selection, bypass function, filter alarm, indoor air monitor, and the RS485 connector. Well, for the intelligent controller, this is our previous version, and the new version is under final testing, and I think it will be available at the end of next month. Well, these intelligent controller have some unique functions like the comfortable heater control. For example, it can be connected with the electrical heater controller. Electrical heater, yes, and then like the defrosting, the CO2 control, the humidity control, night-free cooling, filter alarm, fault alarm, power to auto restart, defrosting heater control, and the working condition monitor. A lot of functions. Compared with the standard controller, the function is more powerful. And lastly, inside this series, it has some difference, a little difference, not some, just a little difference. For the models, the 150, 250, and 350 models, these three models, they are in super slim design. Yes, the idea for the design, behind the design is for those projects that has a very strict installation heat requirement. And compared with the traditional unit, this unit, the heat is 20%. Well, and the access door is at the bottom. Actually, here this side is the bottom of the unit. To show you better, we turn it, yes, turn it down. And this bottom maintenance access door can make sure the maintenance is much easier. And for the models above the 600 cubic meter per hour, like 600, 800, 1000, 1300 units, these 4 units, the structure is a little different. See, the access door is at the side. There is a regular access door here for the maintenance of the primary filter, the heat exchanger, the PM 2.5 filters. Yes. And besides this, normally access door, we also add 2 access door here to maintain for the control and for the motor. Yes. So by this means, it can make sure the efficiency of the maintenance more efficiency. Yes. All right. Hope my above introduction about the EcoVent Pro are clear for you. And if you enjoy my show, my words, please show me a thumbs up, okay? I will be appreciate that. And if you are interested in our product and know something about our company, make sure you already follow us. And don't forget to message our customer service if you'd like a copy of the catalog. Or you can send us inquiry directly. And we have a professional sales team waiting online to follow up your inquiry, okay? Now it's question time. I will welcome my teammate, Felix and Benson, welcome, yes, to replace these units for our upcoming introduction, okay? And it's question time. Please could you tell me what question you have? Let's talk it in details, okay?
Hi, CC, I have a question for you. So what is the lead time for the product?
Okay, thanks for the question from our customers, our friends, okay? Actually, the lead time for the sample order, like 1 or 2 pieces, we have some of the units we have them in stock. So the lead time is few days, 3 to 5 days. If we don't have them in stock, we normally need about 1 to 2 weeks to prepare the sample. Well, for the bulk order, like containers, 20 container, 40 container, the lead time is 1 month, 30 days. Okay? Let's move on the next question. Okay?
So question number 2, what is the MOQ?
Okay, thanks for the questions. The friend from our audience about the MOQ, I hope you will have an order future for the containers. Actually, we don't have the MOQ for the order. 1 piece is acceptable, but you know we are factory, we are manufacturer. We hope to go volume to offer you a most competitive price. So it means the price for the small order and the container order will be different. Okay, it means making sample is bigger quantity, a lower price. Okay, one more question. Okay,
what is the difference of ERV and HRV?
Okay, what is the difference between ERV and HRV? Well, ERV named for energy recovery ventilator, and HRV named for heat recovery ventilator. They are both for heat recovery, but the ERV will go further. Except the heat recovery, it will also exchange the moisture, the humidity. So if you don't, if it's not easy for you to understand, let me make it more simple. Like the HRV built with a sensible heat exchanger, like the aluminum material core. Yes, and the ERV built with ERV built with the total heat exchanger, like our enthalpy, like our enthalpy heat exchangers. So I think this is the most important difference for the HRV and the ERV. Okay. One more question.
How about the payment terms?
Okay, payment terms. Usually we accept bank transfer, the TT, 30% for the down payment and 70% before delivery out of the factory. And for the order amount enough to 10,000 US dollars, the LC set is accepted too. And of course, for the sample or the small order, normally we prefer to collect the full down payment. Okay? Any more questions?
Okay, last questions. Do you have any certificate for this product?
We have the CE certifications for all of our products, and including the EcoVent product we showed you 2 minutes ago, yes. And we are applying the CB and also the Australia, like the EPCS certificate by SGS. And hopefully it will be available at the end of June, yes, next month. Okay, I think it's time up for our questions. If you have more questions, welcome to send us an inquiry, okay? And we have a professional sales team waiting online to follow up your inquiries. Now let's move on to our next new product, okay? Here we will have the EcoSlim ERV. This series has two models. One is 250 cubic meter per hour, and another one is 350 cubic meter per hour. And they are suitable for residential houses and villas. The unit we show you here today is 250 cubic meter per hour. Look at the appearance of this unit. It was made of aluminized zinc. Well, this kind of material has a very good anti-corrosion ability. So it make it can be workable even at the seaside. Well, do you have a house at the seaside? I hope I have one. Okay, this whole series is durable for 15 years. One main features for this series is its slim body design. Yes. The heat is only 22 cm. Okay. The design is behind the idea behind the design is also for those projects have a strict ceiling heat requirement. This one can be fit through almost any ceiling heat. Okay, and apart from the slim design, it still have a couple of the unique features. This unit was built in a big cross counterflow heat exchanger. This heat exchanger, the efficiency is up to 86%, and it can save a lot of the energy. And besides, it was built with two high efficiency DC fan model. So they are energy saving, and operation one day just cost you about 1 kilowatt per hour electricity. And inside the housing, it was constructed by EPP structure, EPP material. Yes, this kind of material is mainly for best insulation, the air tightness. It's no condensation and have some features like lightweight, heat preserve, super silent, no odor, no pollution. Okay. Lastly, this one is very convenient for maintenance. You can access the parts directly with the at the bottom of the machine. Actually, this side is the bottom of the unit. To show you cleaner, we make it vertical. Yes. There are two holes here for the fan motors, the supply fan and exhaust fan. And the two holes here and here is mainly for the primary filter and the PM 2.5 filter maintenance. Well, the middle one, this big hole, is mainly for the cross counterflow heat exchanger maintenance. And see, it's very easy to take the spare parts out. Yes. Okay. But please remember to cut off the power before maintenance, okay? And the running mode for this series have two optional mode. I mean the running mode. One is the energy recovery mode. Under this mode, the fresh air here will pass with a primary filter. Let me show you the filter first. Actually, this filter combine the primary filter and a medium filter. Okay, so the fresh air will pass with the primary filter, a medium filter, then cross the heat exchanger. Then here it will pass through a HEPA filter. One more time. Here is a HEPA filter. Yes, very high filtration efficiency. So the fresh air will pass through a heat exchanger, then a HEPA filter here. They supply it to the indoor. So the triple filtration guaranteed the air supply to indoor is absolutely clean. Okay? And another one is the purification mode. Under this mode, the exhaust fan here will stop work. And there is a bypass valve here. Bypass valve here will open for indoor air circulation. The return air will pass the valve. They pass with this HEPA filter and they supply to the indoor. So the air will be recycled again and again and again. Under this mode, you can use it as an air purifier. Well, it's like wearing a KN95 mask for your whole house. So you can keep healthy and no need to wear a mask under this difficult time. Okay? All right. That's all of my introduction about the EcoSlim ERV. Once again, welcome our teammate Benson and Felix to replace the unit for our upcoming introduction. Okay? And it's our question time again. Welcome to let me know your questions and let's talk it in details, okay? Anyone tell me the questions?
Okay, so there's one customer ask, what is the difference between EcoVent Pro series and EcoSlim series product?
Oh, okay. The difference between EcoVent Pro
and
yes,
Slim.
The first new product.
Yeah, and the second
one. This EcoSlim one, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Firstly, the airflow range for these two series are different. The first one, EcoVent Pro, is range from 150 to 1300 cubic meter per hour. Well, the EcoSlim only has two models, the 250 and 350 cubic meter per hour. Yes, the first one is better for the residential houses and for the commercial use, commercial application. Well, the EcoSlim is only, I think, better for the residential uses. Okay, and secondly, their construction is a little different. EcoSlim has like my introduction, the EcoSlim has the indoor air purification functions, but the EcoVent Pro don't have this function. And EcoVent Pro built with a cross-flow heat exchanger. Yes. EcoVent built the cross-flow heat exchanger, while the EcoSlim with the cross-counterflow heat exchanger. Yes, it's a little different. And the EcoVent Slim ERV, the efficiency is higher, the heat efficiency, because of this type of the heat exchanger. Okay, and any more questions?
Okay, so question number 2, does it have bypass function?
Bypass function. I don't know if this customer asked for the EcoVent Pro or the EcoSlim. Actually, for the EcoVent Pro series, we have the bypass functions. It's compliant with the eco design. Well, for the EcoSlim The EcoSlim series, they don't have the bypass functions, but it has indoor air circulation valve, the bypass valve for indoor air circulation, okay, like an air purifier. Any more questions?
Another question, is there any MOQ condition for units with my own brands? So I guess the customer wanna build their own brand?
Okay, if we have MOQ conditions for the units under OEM or ODM, right? Normally, we hope the quantity should enough to 20 feet containers with your own brand. This is something like OEM and ODM because we should go volume to offer you a better price, a best price. Then you can extend your business and cover more market. Okay. One more questions?
Can we use Alibaba Trade Assurance to pay?
Yes, sure. We accept the Alibaba Trade Assurance for the payment. So if you prefer the Alibaba Trade Assurance, yes, go ahead. Send the inquiry to our customer service or our sales team, okay?
So last questions. Can we use credit card to pay?
Can you use the credit card to pay,
Yeah,
okay?
I guess
Oh,
Visa
yes,
and
yes,
MasterCard.
yes.
Yeah.
You can pay by Alibaba Trade Assurance, and they offer the credit card for the payment. And for the sample order, we also accept the PayPal or the Western Union. Yes, okay. And one more questions or last questions?
No, that's it.
Okay, so time is up for the questions. If you have more questions, please send us an inquiry, okay? We have a professional sales team to follow up your inquiry. Now, I would like to invite my teammate, Tom. Yes, welcome my teammate, Tom, to show you more about our most popular products. Welcome.